My name is Didier. Welcome on Financial Wealth. Today I'm bringing you four websites where you're going to make good money online. But first of all, we've been talking about PayPal, which is the best platform that you're going to create your own accounts. So PayPal is a way to banking yourself to get your credit card, or I mean your ATM. It's not a credit card, but it's an ATM card. That's where you're gonna have to put your money. First of all, you sign up, you put your email. Next, you put your phone number, and you continue to do that and continue and so on until you have an account. And make sure you have a notepad to take notes. Okay, take notes. Make sure you have your account just for you, and anywhere that you wanna log into your account, you can. And it will be electronic as you going to make it happen. So now let's go to the next website called Netflix. So Netflix, that's where you can make money. First of all, I'm gonna show you the regular way. So you go to Netflix, you put Netflix target salary. It's going to bring you to this page. Let me show you how you're gonna make it. Netflix target salary. Okay, so it's gonna bring you to this page where approximately making $55,000 to $70,000 per year. So it's not the only thing, but you're going to get paid by watching videos. I'm gonna click on this and show you more way to make money: paid online surveys, side hustle IDs. These are something that you're gonna make comments over. Money making apps, gig economic jobs, freelancer job, online business, passive income IDs, invest money. Okay, so that's mean all these way are where you're going to watch this video and give and get paid for them. So the next ID is called to on still Netflix. We're going to put Netflix target job. Okay, so when you put Netflix target job, it's gonna bring you here. It's gonna bring you here to okay. This one is $22 per hour, $24 to $30 per hour, $20 to $30 per hour. So that's why it is. So if you wanna see more, you click on this one right here for more. Continuously you watch, and then this is the explanation, and this here job highlighted. You can read down the line here to see what you're gonna responsible for. You would be piece to the item, stage, system, examination, banding together with buyer, designing associate group, board investigation, natural Netflix streaming experience, zeroing and grasping the FX value in Netflix business, and organizing amazing chances to work on qualities. Okay, but you're gonna watch. Remember, those I told you, some of them gonna watch videos and do comments, and then you can tell them how you going to what you see in your own IDs and stuff. This one says benefits: the general market's range for jobs around Netflix is almost $60,000 to $290,000. That how you're gonna get going over the platforms, which is Netflix target jobs. Generated 60,000 to 900 to 290,000. But regularly on these four websites, you'll be able to make $950 per hour. Okay, $950 per hour. Okay, so those three websites I'm gonna show you. Okay, so the next website I'm gonna show you, it's called Timebox. Timebox right here. You go to Google and you type Timebox. It's coming to bring you here where you're going to sign up. Okay, you click sign up and you put in your email address, then password as you could. Okay, password. I'm gonna just try to put mine. Okay, and then sign up. After you sign up with Timebox, they're gonna do the same thing with the last one that we were talking about. Okay, you come here, you agree with the term and policies, agree. Okay, just for signing in, they give you already 50 cents. Okay, so here, anywhere here, you watch anything, you complete some tasks, surveys, and you're gonna make money. Okay, complete some tasks and surveys on Timebox, they pay you. So all these, as you can see recently, are how you're gonna make money. Just for signing, they give me 5 cents. I mean 50 cents. Okay, so they say new surveys 9 to 18 minutes, 0.2222 get started. Okay, so this is how you're gonna earn some money. So complete some, you get on contents. For example, if you wanna start here, this one they give you 10 cents. So if you come here to contents, okay, each content you watch, so you're making some money. Like over here, you must complete your profile to access this tab. Click here. Let's click on it and see. Okay, so what we're gonna do here, you put your name, last name, birthday, everything, and then after you complete, put your everything, password, anything, and you're gonna be able to earn money. Okay, so the next part is how we're going to get paid. 5 days, 14 hours. Okay, payment received 5 days and 14 hours. Okay, so you got to complete all these things. Actually, let's try to do it together. Most likely you can do that, but do that, updates if you have to do updates, and then next you continue making money. So other ways, the next step to make money, it's called Facebook. You can go to Facebook, and then from Facebook, that's where you're going to put you're gonna go on group. You're gonna have to take your referral link. I'm gonna say type here to the group and say make money online. Make money online. And then when you so it's gonna bring you all these groups that been making money online. So you're gonna choose which one you wanna choose, which one of them. You can choose any of them that been maximized and a lot of members. So you can go ahead and put your referral link to it. Okay, so you look to get your referral link on here. Okay, right here you see a referral right here. You click on it, when you click on it, and then it's gonna bring you where to get your referral link. Okay, complete to view your referral earning group by dating. Click here. Let's click here. Let's see what's going on. Okay, you come here, copy, get your referral link, go back to Facebook, which is over here. You're gonna join one of these guys. This one has 100 people who is making money online. This one 21,000. This one has 10,000. This one has 118,000. So I'm gonna join this one, and I'm gonna click on it, and then from there I can go ahead and put my link somewhere over here by commenting. I can comment, I can just comment, or I can just write a comment. I have swap box already here, and I can click here and put the same thing over here, copy and paste, and I can say click on this link, click on this link to make an extra money, online. Extra money, extra on this link to make extra money online. Okay, so, and then you just say post with time box. Okay, so this is very good here. People gonna come to it, they're gonna click on this, they're gonna invite their friends to do the same thing. So we have many other groups in here. If you want to follow them, or if you want to bring more people to this line, you can do that and make more money. So make money online, check out list best forex and click here. So that's how you get connected with other people that been making it and makes a lot of money by doing this. So do not hesitate to do that. Connect to make some money. Okay, that's the best way that you can go ahead and do that. And don't forget, I look something down below for you. Connect and make some money.